Hello my friends, and welcome back to Pencil's product concepting series. We're here in part 3. As always, part 1 and 2 can be found in the description down below. But if you've come this far with us, we've created our new product concept. We found out some information about the audience and the marketing techniques that we might use. We've created some beautiful imagery, and today we're going to take that final step and we're going to develop video. So there are 2 methods to do this, and they both start by going back to our dashboard, hitting new project and hitting generate video. Our first technique is image to video. So we're going to select one of the images that we created in part 2. We're going to make sure that it fits within this bounding box here, and you know that it fits or whether it doesn't because the generate button will disappear or reappear. Based on that, we can select our aspect ratio. We have 2 lovely options. And down here we've got prompt. I'm actually going to leave prompt blank because our image is containing a lot of information already. We already know what the lighting looks like. We already know what the subject is, but you can add that information if you want to give it a little bit more direction. For the time being, I'm going to leave mine plain. And with the power of Pencil, it truly is that easy. I'm going to put a bunch of my results up on screen. And what's great is a lot of these were just from hitting generate again and again, giving it another stab at the information that it's already got. You can, as I said, put in things like camera directions or add external elements, or the improve button is always there too. But immediately we're seeing some really beautiful results and bringing our image to life. And our second technique is actually text to video. So in the same way, we'll go back to our main dashboard, we'll hit generate video, and this time before we get truly stuck in, we're going to go over to model and select VO2. That'll give us the ability to go text to video. And what I'm actually going to do here is I'm going to take the prompt that we initially used for generating the images, and the only thing I'm going to change at this point is generate a photo becomes generate a video. And that's it. We're going to let Pencil do its thing. Once again, I'm going to put a couple of different results up on screen, and of course, different models will generate different results, but I'm really happy with the way this has come out. So if you wanted to skip the image step altogether, here is a really lovely option. And just like that, my friends, we're now going into our pitch meeting with a video of a product that does not yet exist. How exciting is that? This process is so interesting because it takes the fundamentals that we use here at Pencil and it just uses them in this really tailored way. So if we went over anything too briefly, image generation, text generation, anything like that, please don't forget that the Pencil channel here and our help articles are full of this information in complete detail. And that is product concepting with Pencil. We hope you've enjoyed this series, and as always, reach out to Pencil with any questions. Take care.